hiccups, and for that, we're counting on your cooperation as always. Okay? This is the 4th round for this season's HPDS, and it's time attack. Don't be fooled by the name, there will be no timing, but we'll train you on the time attack driving style. Okay? Otherwise, it's racing. I'm not sure if anybody here is not aware that Dubai One TV are coming to film us today. You guys all know about this, right? Yeah. So
yes.
We need to put on a... You know what? I need to sit in the back, man. Okay. We need to put on the best behavior, the best image we can reflect, because we're going on national TV now. This is one of the big milestones of this club history. Who's new to HPDS? Shut up.
Wow.
Okay. You guys, for the new ones and for the recurring ones, just to remind you, we'll do sessions. The first session, all of you guys are going to drive the club car. Does anybody have a problem with manual transmission? Do you? No, you don't have a problem. Your car is manual. Yeah. He doesn't. Anyway, first session goes as follows. You'll have 3 consecutive laps. The first lap is done by your instructor. You're sitting next to them. They're going to talk you through what they're doing and why they're doing it and when they're doing it. Fine? You come to the stop box here. You drive straight to the straight line. You swap. Now you're going to drive. They're going to observe you. They will not comment. This is the assessment phase. This is lap 2 in your session. You do your lap, stop again, full stop, back to the straight line. Your third lap, or your second lap, which is the third in the session, your instructor is going to convey their assessment to you. All right? Please, pretty please, listen to your instructors. They have far more experience than you do. They can make this a shortcut for you. Okay? Forget your prejudices. Forget how you drive before. This is different. Listen to what they say. Make their job easier and your life easier. Okay? Once the first session is done, please identify your instructors, which I'm going to recite now, and stick to them. Always be ready on time. We don't want to call anybody like, get ready, it's your turn. You should know your turn. Okay? I will tell you whose turns are now and who your instructors are. Second session, you'll have 2 consecutive laps with the instructor in the club car. All right? You do the first lap, come back to the stop, head out to the straight line, do another lap. They will always be talking to you and conveying their instructions to you. Follow them, please. Third session, you can opt to use your car or the club car, but it's going to be 1 lap each. And as you see, we've designed the track in a way, you stop, we can have 2 cars on the track simultaneously. Okay, so your stopping point is not your starting point. Is that clear? Please follow our instructions. The day should go smooth. We've done this many times before. For the new ones, no panicking, no intimidation here. It's friendly. You guys will evolve, but there is always a first time for everything. Okay? Any questions?
No, sir.
For those who don't have a safety helmet, the safety helmets are provided by the karting center in that door. Go and try and fit and test the one that suits you, but please, when you're done, take it back. Don't let me come around here like, did you return it or not? Make it easier. Food and beverages are available, but as an advice, do not drink a lot. You're going to be shaky. Okay? You guys have done this, know this. Okay. Now let me recite your names and who's instructing you for the day. In this following order, this is how you'll head out on the track, which is basically how sooner you register on the forums. First driver is Hassan, and your instructor is Mr. Akram. Second driver is Majid, your instructor is Mr. Tarifi. Third driver is Iyad.
Yes.
Your instructor is Akram. Fourth student is Wael, and your instructor is Mr. Lutfi. You hear that? Ahmed Salam, you're with Mr. Tarifi. Ihsan, you're with Mr. Akram. Ahmed Al-Alami, you're with Mr. Lutfi. Ahmed Khalid, I know you don't like this, but you're with Daniel Shafar, when he comes, is with Mr. Akram. Hadi, when he comes, is with Mr. Lutfi. Sam Al-Khadra, you know.
We don't know.
Spell it out.
But Lahza, does he have a permit to actually sit in a BMW?
Today is real life, man. Muhammad Muhsin, you are with Mr. Akram. Amr, you're with Mr. Lutfi, first time. Ahmad Zayed, Ahmad, you're with Mr. Tarifi. Tamara, you're with Akram. Ahmad Qanso, what is he?
Naim.
Ahmad Qanso, you're with Mr. Lutfi. Nazar Sufi, you're with Mr. Tarifi. Dawood Khan, you're with Mr. Akram. And last but not least, Ghada with Lutfi. Alright? As everybody know their instructor by now. I will keep telling you who's next, or your instructor will tell you who's next. So please pay attention to the four of us, okay? To make this smooth and fast. We have the track until 4 o'clock. We'll try and make it. The smoother you make it, the more seat time you get. Okay? The onus is on you. You guys wish to work the track?
Yes.
Or should we drive the track? Yeah? No, take them in batches. That will save a lot of time.
الاسطوانة موجودة ولا؟